A female Russian sniper responsible for the deaths of more than 40 people has been captured after being left for dead by her comrades on the battlefield. Irina Starikova, codenamed Bagheera, after the Black Panther of Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book, has served with the separatist forces in Donetsk since 2014. She had been sought by the Ukrainians for years over her alleged role in a war crime involving the shooting of prisoners. Starikova, 41, is originally from Serbia and was reported to be divorced with 2 daughters in local media reports. Announcing her capture, the Ukrainian army said that she had the blood of at least 40 people on her hands, including civilians. Her capture came after her own comrades saw she was wounded and left her to die. The sniper was given medical treatment for her injuries, according to Ukrainian soldier Vlad Ivanov, who was quoted by the media. Speaking about her own team abandoning her, the mum apparently said, "They left, knowing that I was injured, and had the opportunity to pick me up, hoping that I would die." Starikova is believed to have served with Russian separatist forces as part of the 11th Specialized Special Operations Division in the Donetsk region in 2014. This is when rebels supporting the then pro-Moscow government declared areas of eastern Ukraine part of wider Russia. Researchers believe Starikova, from Serbia, is 41 years old and has 2 daughters aged 11 and 9. She is said to be divorced from their dad and now married to a soldier from Belarus called Alexander Ogranich. It comes after a Russian soldier killed himself after he found out 90% of his unit's tanks were useless, according to unverified claims from Ukraine's Ministry of Defense. The department said on its Telegram channel that some tanks did not even have engines or had been almost completely dismantled. Kiev claims 16,000 Russian troops have died in the war, while thousands more have surrendered or been injured. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.